Ever wondered if you can sublimate on 100% cotton? Well, in this video we're going to find out together, and I'm going to show you the real results. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and kid craft videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the shirt we're going to use. This is a Gildan 100% cotton shirt. You can buy these at Michael's. I'll leave the link down below. If you do a lot of HTV and things like that, you can get Gildan at Michael's, and a lot of the times they have 3 for $9.99. We're gonna prep it just like if we were gonna do sublimation, and then we're gonna see what happens when we try to sublimate on cotton. Okay, so we're gonna start by we're gonna use our Cricut Easy Press for this, because I honestly do not want to preheat my heat press and wait a whole 15-20 minutes for it to preheat. This is what the Cricut Easy Press looks like. It's portable, and honestly sometimes it comes in handy. So we're gonna turn this on, and we're gonna make sure our temperature is at 400. I should probably turn it this way so you can see. And make sure our temperature is at 400 for 60 seconds, and we're gonna let that, I'm putting that to the side, and we're gonna let that heat up. So we're gonna take our heat pad. You should always use this when doing anything with your Easy Press. So we're gonna put our heat pad, put it in. Okay, so we're gonna take some butcher paper and put it inside of it like we normally do. Okay, again, I always get my my butcher paper from Amazon. It cost me $12, and I had it for a year. I still have a bunch of it, so it's really worth it. We're going to put it in between, because sublimation ink goes through, so it will go to the heat press and to the heat pad, and you don't want that. So now we're going to lint roll it, and we do that because you don't want, so with sublimation the lint roll turns blue. So you want to make sure you lint roll it, and again, even if this doesn't work, we're treating it like how we would prep a shirt for sublimation. Okay, this is the design we're gonna use, and I'm gonna just put it on, and I'm gonna take my heat tape. This is the heat tape I use. It's from Amazon, comes in a 5-pack, all different sizes. It's always linked down below. This is the heat dispenser I use. If you get heat tape, make sure you have a heat tape dispenser, because it makes things so much easier. Like, it's so hard to put your heat tape on your projects if you have to hold it each time. Like, it just makes it so difficult. Trust me. Trust me. Been there. Done that. Okay. So, we heat taped it. We're still waiting for our Easy Press to heat up. It's almost heat up. Do you guys know what we're missing right now? We can't just put our Easy Press on top of it. What are we supposed to do? We have to put butcher paper on top. And why do we have to put this? We put this on there so that our heat press is heated up, so that, again, sublimation becomes a gas once you put heat on it. So it's gonna pop up, and you don't want to have it on your heat press, because what happens is that the next time you go to press something, your heat press, that design is going to press onto that object. So now we're going to take our heat press, and we're going to press it for 60 seconds. Okay, so we're going to lift it up gently, and we're going to see. I think we got our whole design. Take the butcher paper. You can see the image through the butcher paper. You see how important that is? And we got everything. Okay. So, moment of truth. Remember, this is 100% cotton. There is no polyester in it. So we're going to lift this up. What? No way. No way. Okay, so this is text. No, this is Image Right, I think, sublimation paper. There's still a lot of ink on here, by the way. A lot of ink. Look at that. A lot of ink. But it's still... Guys, it still looks decent. I think the camera probably looks more... Like, obviously the image isn't as vibrant, but look at the gloves. Look how vibrant that actually looks. Let's zoom you in. look how vibrant that actually looks. I'm really impressed. That actually looks really good. And look how much is left of it still on here. That actually looks really, really good. So there kind of is like a burnt spot surrounding it. Like this is kind of yellowish where the paper, where we pressed. But guys, it still looks pretty good for being cotton. It looks, I'm like really impressed. I honestly didn't think you would be able to see it as well. Obviously if you had a polyester shirt, the picture would be more vibrant, but it's still pretty good for being cotton. Like, I'm kind of impressed. The black is obviously not super black. I don't know if the camera's picking up on it, but it's kind of lighter. So it's not black, but it's still decent. Wow. Okay. Okay. So I honestly didn't think it was going to show up as much as it did. Okay. So out of the light, here's my thoughts on it. The black, let me see if you can see it better now. The black obviously is faded, but it actually, without the lights on, it actually looks greenish. It looks kind of like a hunter green. So, but the gloves, I love how that part turned out. It looks perfectly good. And it turned out good. Now here's the other thing. In case you don't know, when you sublimate on cotton, the more you wash it, the more it's going to fade, because sublimation isn't meant to be done on cotton. It's meant to be done on polyester fabrics, on synthetic fabrics. So even if it does show vibrant like this, when I wash it, it's going to fade. So I will wash it and I will show you an update on my Instagram. Make sure to go follow my Instagram. It is linked down below. I'll show you an update so you can see how it looks after you wash it, how much it fades and all that. But I am impressed with how much it came through. I honestly thought it was going to look way more faded than what it actually looks like. So I am impressed with that. So not totally bad, but just know that it's going to fade over time. Let me know down below if you guys have tried to sublimate on cotton. How did it turn out? What's the lowest percentage of cotton that you try to sublimate on it? Or did you try 100% cotton? Or did you try a higher percent polyester? So maybe one that's like a higher percent blend. One that's like 60% polyester, 30% cotton. Let me know down below your experiences so we can all learn from them. And don't forget to check out my sublimation playlist. It will be linked up above, and I will be making a video soon showing you how to sublimate on a real polyester shirt, so stay tuned for that.